welcome back to Gaming Legends. Today I'm gonna do Life 4 SG something, and wait, yes, I'm in. Oh, yes. I'm gonna play a game in it. Okay, I guess I can join it. Yes. Hey, excuse me, can you move? Excuse me. Oh no. Please let me join the game. I wanna go. Yes. Join the match. Wait. Fresh. Mute. Yay. I'm free. My screen is empty. Wow. I wanna climb this big tree. And what? Oh, how much time does it take? Nobody says. Okay, I'm gonna run straight into the woods. Maybe I can get something, or else I have to just starve in here. I won't get anything. Yes. Yeah, I'm already having an axe. Yes, there you go, another chest. A chest. Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. This is my one. Yes. Move. You gotta move from here, or else I'll kill you. Where are you, people? Where are you? Hey! They're forming a gang over here. Wow. I think I can kill them. Ouch. Black. Yes, I killed one. I killed one of them. I guess. Hey, you please leave me alone. Please. No! Respawn. I hate that guy. He's very rude. He's bad. I hate him. Okay. Whatever. Any other game? People, can you please move up? Hunger Caves? Howling Audience? There are only 2 people. I think it will end. Yes, there's another game. Yes. No. Let me die. Yes. I joined the match. Okay. This time also I need to run in the woods or something. And go straight. Wait. It shows my spawn point is here. Wow, that's great. Hey, you people, ghost. I hate you. What? Huh? You were about to kill me and I kill you? See? Don't keep with me, okay? Okay? Hey there. Hi. Hey. There. I'm gonna jump. Hey. Hi. Hey, really? That man's talking with me. Wow. I like it. What? Herman 1, 2, 3? Okay, I'm gonna hold compass. Yes, hi. Oh, that's enough. Are you crying? Seriously? I wanna see you. Oh, you're not crying. You cheat. Are you crying? Okay, even I'll cry. I'm a small baby. Okay, Ghost. Hey you, Ghost. Hi. Okay, I won't talk with you. Get away. You're not my friend. Bye. Hey everyone. Herman. Are you seeing me? Hi. He is dead. He quit? He quits? No, don't do that. Don't, man, don't. You're back? You're back? Here you go, Simon. I hate you. Herman, hi. What you doing? Hi. Do you know when does the match start? Hey. To whom are you saying hi? Okay, then I'll say hi, 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 hi. Hey, 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 people. Run, 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 run. Run into the wood, run into the woods. Did I get any chest? Get up, fast, quick. Get up. Yes, that's just. No, just on the tree. Kidding me? Get up, man, get up. Somebody was already hitting me. Let me take the chase. Wow. Hey, where am I? Oh, here. Oh my god. That was a big thunder. Yeah, I can open it earlier. Okay, I got armor. Let me just take it. It's the same thing. Wow. Like that thing. I mean, I hate it. Okay, let me go that side. Maybe I can get any other chest. Oh, quick, person, quick. Are you too slow? Get up, quick. Oh my god. Get up. Hey, there's another chest. Ouch. Who are you, man? Ghost. Hi, Ghost. Hey, Ghost. You look beautiful. Do you agree to marry me? Ouch, Ghost. Hey, Ghost. You are dead. You're dead, you baby. What an idiot. Die. Don't do it again. Don't do it. Yeah, I'm respectful. I'm respecting you. Don't do that. Yes, good boys. Yes, very good. Oh no, my hunger. I think I need to eat polaro. Oh, food is over. Right. My aim is to go there. Okay. So, is anybody coming out here? The ghost. Jump. Go fast. Quick. There's no one coming over here. All clear. That tree. I got the tree. Wow, golden armor, diamond, I got diamond. I will trade with someone, don't just kill me. Hey, don't act to this thing in front of me. Okay. Hey, come on. Again. It's a glitch. Wow. I don't like it. Again. Don't do that again. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna just take out you. Don't do it. Don't dare again. Again? Not again. Keep on making doors. Ouch. No. Who killed me? Okay. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. And please watch my next video also. Okay, till then.